Expectation versus reality, Desi edition. Like we all have gym goals. We go to the gym with the expectation that we will look like this, but reality, we look like this. Or we try to cook food for our family, and we expect them to be proud of us, but reality, we just get an extra helping of roti and a lecture on how to make it tastier. But reality, our first day at work, we just want to quit. Or we have big dreams of going to work in a fancy office and making it big. Like if your roti is not turning out well, you can always add more ghee and make it tastier. Or if you're not hitting your workout goals, you can always start working out at home. No shame in that. But no matter what the situation is, we always have the option to make it better. And if you're not getting a promotion at work, then maybe it's time to change your job. There are so many options available now. You can do it. You just need to try harder. Don't give up.